Hi, welcome to How to Draw a Symbol. Today we're going to learn how to draw a locked treasure chest. Let's start off by drawing a line for the floor. Then, draw 3 lines like so for the side of the treasure chest. And 2 more lines for the front. Add an arch on the left side, followed by a straight line here that curves down to the other side for the rounded lid. To add more detail, you can add a frame on each side of the box, with a small bump at the corners for a fancier looking design. On the top of the lid, you can draw these lines like so to make it look like the frame is going up and over. And on the front panel, add a semicircle at the top with a keyhole. Lastly, some horizontal lines like so will give the chest more texture. And now you've got a locked treasure chest.